When I was early in my apprenticeship, I started out my training alongside a tradesman glazier. We would head out on the road going from door to door fixing windows, and I'd be tasked in helping out in any way that I possibly could. I took great pride in arriving at somebody's home and knocking on their door announcing that I was here to fix their broken window or door. I loved meeting the people. They were also thankful that help had arrived on time, and as my boss Clarkie would say, with a smile. We would frequently be offered a cold drink, a home-baked muffin, or on one occasion, a punnet of tomato plants to take home. I believe fast glass replacements should be quick, easy, and stress-free as possible for all of our customers. I love the feeling of assurance we give to people. They know that before we leave their home, it will be safe, warm, and secure. We love the relationships this forms, the characters we meet, the jokes we share. We're all people just like you, and this is truly why we love fixing your windows. I am Gene Graham, and I'm the owner and operator of Economy Glass in Hoppers Crossing.